and my lighting sucks. Are you ever going to get out of your uniform? Princess. Princess. Meow. Betty. Seriously, we need light. Dude, this is like the brightest light. What? Huh? Ow! I just stepped in something in your bag. That better not have been a razor.
Huh?
That better not have been a razor. That would have hurt. My pillow. Jessie Nicole. Jessie Nicole. Oh, now she's gonna get all comfortable. Oh, she's doing that despite now to get back to Bobby. 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 Princess. Oh, we got a cat that's not camera shy. Yeah. Princess, you like the camera. I'm serious. We gotta clean this room tomorrow. Because, yeah. Especially that blanket. That is killing me standing here right now. Now I know why Bobby's probably meowing her head off. Sure, never mind. What are you talking about? I got a knife right here. Yeah. Very violent. It's a butter knife. I can't do shit with a butter knife. Really? I know all your turn-ons. Put your shoes on. No, you get your socks on. Don't kick the phone. I will kill you if you kick the phone. You're dead. How did you get that spot on your face? Like, right there. Come on here. You said you want to start a YouTube account. You need to not be camera shy. But you don't have any videos uploaded. Guys, this is a great start. I could tag you in it. Ow! Oh, she's holding hands. My dad's locked. That's your size bed. We established it. Hey! Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hands off. Get your leg off my booty. You were shaking my booty. Get your hands on your side of the bed, please.
Don't touch my knee. No.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You deserve that. My boobs are hurting so bad right now. You were shaking your leg on my boobs. I dare you to do that to go downstairs.